So ayan my dear friends, fresh from United Kingdom itself. And I have to check the VIN number so we could confirm that this is actually made in United Kingdom. It's one of the most affordable Triumph bike you'll find, and it's one of the bang for the buck kind of bike if you're going to compare it with some other brands. Motorcycle right here has a 660cc liquid cooled dual overhead cam, inline triple po siya, and it has slipper clutch assist with 6-speed manual, multi-point injection FI po siya, and kaya niya pumalo ng 80 buff horses at 10,250 RPM, 64 Nm of torque at 6,250 RPM. It's a two-wheeler steel frame. It's 189 kilos, and if you're going to compare it with the Street Triple, which has aluminum frame, 182 kilos ang kanyang timbang. It's still one of the lightest kasi nga si CB650 nga is mas mabigat siya ng konti dito. 14-liter gas tank capacity, and it can go around 4.5 liter per 100 kilometer. It can at least go 300 kilometers range, my dear friend. Ang ganda niya talaga eh. And pagdating sa kanyang seat height, 795mm. Massive shoutout to Ma'am Mika. Ayan po. It's not that bad for a 5'5 lady rider. Tip ito on the feet, pero okay lang. Maganda pa rin yung itsura niya. Ayan. Start na. Ayan. May libre pa tayo kay Ma'am Mika. Woo! Okay na po. Thank you, ma'am. Massive shoutout to Ma'am Mika. Ako na-stand ko na para sa'yo. Mahirap ba? O, tamaan pa mo.
Pagdilian mo, boots ang suot.
Of a 5'6" tall male rider, this is what you're getting. Visible display kahit na round siya. They try to maintain it on a classic quality, my dear friends, kahit na naka-digital siya, and that's what I like about this one. RPM on this part, makikita nyo po yung speed sa tuktok, and if you are going to press this one, ito yung lalabas. Kung gusto mo mag-rain or road, dalawa yung kanyang traction control may bibigay sa'yo aside from the ride-by-wire. If we press this part, trip 1, fuel status, the temperature, the service interval, makikita natin na 1,000 muna and then 10,000 miles. So, convert nyo na lang po to kilometers. Main menu, ayun, riding modes, ayan nga po, makikita natin lahat dito. Bike setup, makikita din natin traction control, and enable and disable, that's a good thing. And trip setup, and for trip 1, trip 2, and trip 2 display setup, brightness, visible trace, ayan, yung makikita nating trace sa kanina, yun yung makikita mo dito so far. Fuel status yung nakalagay, and mga to, pag tinanggal natin, tatanggal siya. Ayan. Shift indicator, ayan po, running in. So maganda din na may indicator siya. Language, English. Distance and economy, makikita natin kilometers per liter and everything. Ayan po. Ayan, the tire pressure, makikita din. Bar, ayan po. Clock, date. And that's it on the menu, my dear friends. Meron siyang Triumph Shift Assist accessory fit. Pag sinabi mong ganun, ibig sabihin ready po siya malagyan po kung gugustuhin nyo. And meron din po siyang My Triumph Connectivity System na yung tipong makakonect mo yung phone mo, makakontrol mo yung GoPros mo and everything. Ginawa talaga nilang affordable tong bike na to, and marami tayong mapapansin eh. And let's take a look on this part right here, my dear friends. Ayan po, this is how beautiful this bike is. And if you know Triumph, they're very good at making premium looking paint jobs. With this one right here, it involves premiumness, and it involves as well modernization or liveliness, kumbaga. Yung tipong parang bata yung sasakay sa motorsiklo. That's my impression on this motorcycle right here. And if you're going to check the decals, ayan po, kung lalapitan mo lang naman, masasabi mong may decal kasi siya. Triumph did not chip out on this one. It's still a good quality decal if you're going to ask me. Tanke check. Yep, it's not a metal, and I love this part right here. I love the fuel cap right here, my dear friends. Ang ganda ng kanyang itsura. Ang kanyang upuan, you may compare it actually with the Tiger Sport 660 kasi it's too wide, my dear friends. And ang napansin ko sa kanya, si Tiger Sport medyo sporty yung kanyang upuan, which is magkikreate talaga ng grip. Parang ganito po. Ayan po, yan po yung makikita natin kay Tiger Sport, and this is what we are getting with the Trident 660. So maganda talaga siya, lapat na lapat yung puwet mo dito, okay na okay po siya. And even the back ride on this part right here, maganda din po ang pagkakagawa. And ayan pwedeng sumakay ang lalaki but not as fat as me. This is what we are getting on the rear, and with the brake light, turn signals, my dear friends, this is what we are getting, LED. And sa harapan po, this is what we are getting on the front side. Ang ganda ng kanyang itsura. Ang side mirror niya rin po, maganda din po ang pagkakagawa, and it's branded by Triumph itself, my dear friends. Although medyo off ako pagdating sa kanyang fender, pagdating sa picture, but when you see it in person, masasabi mo maganda siya. I think babagay talaga sa kanya ang matte black. Hindi naman nagkakamali si Triumph pagdating sa kanyang disenyo. It's still beautifully done bike. And makikita natin yung mga detachables sa kanya, katulad ng foot peg. Yung foot peg is naka-steel and naka-chrome po. Yung kanyang pillion peg naman, ayan po, detachable din. And hindi siya naka-chrome, naka-black siya. I like the banana swing arm. I have to mention it. It's one of the most beautifully done swing arm na makikita mo. From the swing arm, I have to mention this part right here. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya. So, malinis talaga. Yung mga welds niya, ayan po, maganda. Parang may makikita tayong crash guard ready on this part right here. Well protected po ang kanyang radiator. In terms of the brand, meron tayong Showa po na front suspension. Inverted siya, hindi nga lang po adjustable, but it's totally fine. I'm gonna keep on saying it, this is one of the most affordable middleweight naked classic bike you'll ever see. And pagdating naman sa kanyang likod, Showa Monoshock RSU with preload adjustability yung makikita natin. Another brand that I'm gonna mention is yung kanyang Nissan. Usually hindi natin nakikita si Nissan kay Triumph, lalong-lalo na sa mga United Kingdom made nila, pero meron tayong 310mm 2 sliding piston disc brake caliper coming from Nissan, and sa likuran naman 255mm disc with a single piston Nissan caliper. So ayun po, this is a very beautiful bike, my dear friends. And isa sa nagustuhan ko sa kanya is yung kanyang gulong. Marami pa rin tayong makikitang 650 na hindi siya fat tires, and masasabi mo ring parang pang budget tire lang yung nilagay kumbaga pagdating sa kanya. But on this part right here, this is a very beautifully done bike dahil naka-Michelin po siya, 120/70, 17 sa harapan, and sa likuran naman 180/55/17. And ayan conclude nyo na lang the fatness of the tire, my dear friend. Makikita talaga natin, hindi na kailangan palitan, pero kung gusto nyo palitan, it's up to you. Link in the description na lang si Sir Dar. A massive shoutout to Triumph and all the staffs here. They're very accommodating and helpful po. Massive shoutout na rin kay Ma'am Mika for making the seat height reference. Isa Christopher, mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy. I'm gonna see you soon. Magkikita din tayo. Habibi, Hayati, you're my life, you're my love. And let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video. And Exodus 14:14 to everyone. Keep on praying and trust the process. And I'll see you in the next one.